Tired of struggling with stubborn bolts and nuts? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best cordless impact wrenches on Amazon that can make your car repairs, DIY projects, and garage work faster and easier. From power to battery life, I'll break down what makes each wrench stand out, and yes, I'll give you the honest pros and cons. Let's get your toolbox upgraded with the right cordless impact wrench. Number 1. Overall best pick. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench, DCF 900B, is a powerful and reliable tool for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its high torque output makes loosening stubborn nuts and bolts effortless, and the hog ring anvil allows for quick socket changes without extra tools. The cordless design provides excellent portability, and it's compatible with the 20V Max battery system, giving flexibility if you already own DeWalt tools. One downside is that it's sold as tool-only, so a battery and charger are required if you don't have them. Overall, it's a durable, high-performance impact wrench that delivers speed and convenience for various tasks. Number 2. My second best pick, Alloyman Cordless Impact Wrench. The Alloyman Cordless Impact Wrench is a high-powered tool perfect for car, truck, RV, and mower maintenance. With 1475 FDLBS, 2000 Nm of torque and a brushless motor, it delivers fast, efficient performance while reducing motor wear. The included 4000 mAh battery provides long runtime, and the 3 sockets allow for versatility across different tasks. Variable speed control gives precise handling for delicate or heavy-duty jobs. One downside is that the unit is slightly heavier than some competitors, which may cause fatigue during extended use. Overall, it's a reliable, powerful, and versatile cordless impact wrench for both home and professional users. Number 3. My third best pick, Craftsman Cordless Impact Wrench. The Craftsman V20RP 1/2 Cordless Impact Wrench Kit, CMCF 900M1, is a reliable and powerful tool for both home mechanics and professional use. The brushless motor delivers high torque for loosening stubborn bolts, while the included 4Ah battery and charger ensure long runtime and quick recharges. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces, and the kit comes ready to use right out of the box. One downside is that the tool is a bit heavier than some similar models, which may cause fatigue during extended use. Overall, it's a versatile, high-performance impact wrench kit that offers excellent value. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Milwaukee Mid-Torque Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee 2962-20M 18 Fuel 1/2 Mid-Torque Impact Wrench is a high-quality, durable tool ideal for automotive and DIY projects. Its M18 Fuel brushless motor delivers consistent mid-torque performance, making it perfect for lug nuts, bolts, and other fastening tasks. The friction ring anvil allows quick socket changes, and the compact design makes it easy to use in tight spaces. It's compatible with Milwaukee's M18 battery system, providing flexibility if you already own M18 tools. One downside is that it's sold as tool-only, so a battery and charger are needed if you don't already have them. Overall, it's a reliable, efficient, and well-built impact wrench. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Porter Cable Impact Wrench. The Porter Cable 1/2 Corded Impact Wrench, PCE 211, is a dependable tool for automotive and general repair tasks. With 450 pounds of torque and a 7.5 amp motor, it easily handles lug nuts and other medium-duty fastening jobs. The hog ring anvil allows quick socket changes without extra tools, and the corded design ensures consistent power without worrying about battery life. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold for extended use. One downside is that being corded limits mobility compared to cordless models, which can be inconvenient for some users. Overall, it's an affordable, reliable, and efficient impact wrench for home garages and workshops. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite cordless impact wrenches? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.